I'm Barrington, and I want to get married someday. And I can't find a husband. Cry!
Hi.
Do you want to be my husband?
Yeah, my name's Scott.
Okay, I'm gonna go get my wedding dress on.
Hey guys, my name is Scott, and today I am getting married for the first time. I got some grapes. Yeah, got any grapes? I love you. Hey. So today my awful wedding wife, Barrington. Yeah. Oh my gosh, I love her.
Hiya, I'm ready to get married. Okay. Do you, Barrington, take Scott to be your husband? I do. Do you, Scott, take Barrington to be your wife?
I do.
You may now kiss the bride.
I must carry you.
And that was just a wee silly thing.
Yeah, but that didn't even know.
No mean comments. Bye.